Hello and welcome. This is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate, and today we are going to be checking out the Gator website builder from Hostgator. Let's get started. I just signed up for the website builder, and it says connect your domain, get a site. Choose a template. You have over 200 templates to choose from. Loading the editor. "15-second tour." Your website comes with a few pages built in. Click this menu to navigate between. Here are the pages. You can add additional page to your site here, or pick from a pre-built layout, or build a page from scratch. Okay, next. Mobile editor. Mobile customers expect simpler content. Phone number, maps, hours, images, etc. Toggle here to adjust what your visitors will see on mobile versus the desktop. Elements are awesome add-ons. Images, text, social feeds, etc. You can put on your site. Drag one anywhere you like. Next. Add a button. Want to add a button that you can link to something like a contact form? Just drag the button to the site and then edit the destination URL page. And end of tour. I hope this has been helpful to you. This was just the 15-second tour. I do have other tutorials that are being made which will show you how to use the elements, how to add the pages, and much, much more.